Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's try making a baked snack filled with chicken and cheese in liquid dough. Let's see how to make it. Into a large bowl, add in some milk and water mix. Add some jaggery or sugar, instant dry yeast. Give it a mix. Once the sugar gets melted, add in 1 room temperature egg, some vegetable oil and mix it. Now add in some flour little by little and mix it. Add rest of the flour and milk, mix it and make sure you break all the lumps from the dough. You don't have to add the entire milk and water mix, we are just looking for a flowing consistency. Like this. So once it reaches this consistency, cover the bowl, keep it aside for 1 hour till it gets proofed. After 1 hour, the dough got proofed nicely. Just give it a mix and keep it aside. Let's make the chicken filling. Into a pan, add some oil, some cumin seeds, add finely chopped onion, saute it, once the onion becomes translucent, add the masala powders like turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder and garam masala. Then add in chopped tomato, saute it nicely and cook till it becomes mushy. Then add in minced chicken and mix it with the onion and tomatoes. Add enough salt for the chicken, mix it, cover the pan and cook the chicken. Once the chicken gets cooked, add in blanched green peas and mix it. Just before you turn off the flame, add some lemon juice and mix. Our Keema chicken matar is ready. Now let's move on to the final part. Take 1 cup of the dough and pour it into a baking tray lined with parchment paper. And make sure the dough is nicely spreaded on the baking tray. Now here I'm adding some processed cheese slices, but you can add any type of cheese. And on top of this, add the Keema chicken matar. Nicely spread the mix and then pour the rest of the dough on top of the chicken. Nicely cover the chicken with the liquid dough. Now bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 30 minutes or until you can see a nice golden shade on top of this bread. Now keep it on a wire rack and once it cools down, flip that onto a plate and then finally onto a serving tray. Let's cut this and check the filling. Oh, look at that. The cheese, butter and chicken filling looks amazing and tempting. It's so delicious to have, so do try this out. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.